Hello everybody, let's take a look at our new tree map. We are going to be talking about phonograms and we are looking at ace, age, ice. If you'll take a look, I have in my ace column the word face. When I hear ace and face, I have A, C, E. If I look over at my age column, I have page, P-A-G-E. I hear age. If I go over to my ice column, I have the word mice. I hear ice, mice, M-I-C-E. Okay. My next set of words, I have the word space. I hear ace in space. I have S-P-A-C-E. If I go to my middle column, I have the word stage. I hear age in stage. I have S-T-A-G-E. In my final column, I have the word twice. I hear ice. T-W-I-C-E. Twice. I hear ice. I want you to take a moment and look at all of the words in each of our columns. What do you notice? What syllable type do our phonograms have?